we are out of the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates have been beaten on penalties once again this season. Penalties. Orlando. No. Amstel Arena. Sanibonani, Dumelanga, Abshini, igama usabele umfana kaMdluli. Bafethu, please don't forget, please subscribe to your boy, like the video, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. Onke la mashenini onke. Yeah, what a disaster. What a dark day. I'm wearing black, but it is a dark day, bafethu. Orlando Pirates have been knocked out of the Nedbank Cup by team yasemvela, NFD. I don't even want to call ile club igama layo because no, that was a masterclass performance from them. Masterclass performance. 0-0. They've been defending from minute 1 to 90 to minute extra to finish extra. We could not even score one goal against Mvela. Are you serious? Orlando Pirates, there's one thing to salvage this season. I know we've won 2 trophies. I know fully well. But that's not enough. Not this season. Nedbank, did I care much about it? Not really. I don't think any Orlando Pirates supporter really cared about the Nedbank because we've won in Nedbank countless times. But we know sifuna ini. The ultimate prize. Le namadleba amakhulu. Okay, no. Not le ayina amadleba amakhulu le yala eMzansi. But you know the gist. You know what I'm saying, Bafethu. The big one. The big one. Let's talk about the individual performances. Sipho Chayine, I don't blame you, I'll tell me. Penalties, low to a penalty, 50-50. Sometimes you save, sometimes you don't save. Sometimes they miss, sometimes you go the wrong way. Let's talk about the Van Rooyen, Bafethu. What has happened to this guy? Kenzakalani ngalo mjita lo? Kenzakalani ngalo mjita lo Van Rooyen? Is he homesick? Is Van Rooyen homesick? Because when you signed for the Orlando Pirates, I thought you were gonna change our fortunes at right back. But guess what? This season, my dog, you are playing like you are homesick. Playing like, oh, you know what is he in? Confidence. You can't be the player that you were. What's wrong? Confidence, ikshayile. Nah, I can't be confident, Bafethu. Lo muntu homesick. I think he needs to go back a Cape. I think i-Highveld yamhlula, iJozi yamhlula. I-lifestyle yangayi too much. Fast. I-weather maybe. It's too much for him. Man, this guy is playing like he's homesick. I've never seen such a dreadful performance from him. Khona la bamstela khona uFan Rooyen, bafethu. uFan Rooyen bayamstela, bafethu. Boo, phansi. Ngeke uyibone lento le yenzakala uMutawa. Never. Van Rooyen, brother, you were the guy I was saying is the best right back. No, you are not, my G. You are a waste man. No. Center back pairing, CBC. Bodlela, you bottled it, Bampanagiti. You bottled it. Bodlela. Abakubiza ubhodlela mahala. What was that penalty? Amathuba. Ay. Asikho eMajuba. eMajuba kulele power station. Le power station. Jesus Christ, this guy is even the captain. He took the first penalty. Decides to sky it. I'll touch the sky because of you. I'll touch the sky. Aye. Chabatsan, another one. Boom. DJ Khaled. Another one. Doom. Dion Hoto. Dion Hoto. Dion Hoto. I'm gonna rip you apart, my G. Geza amazinyo uthi yami. Le ndaba yakho leyo obvious noshawa i-first touch or noshawa i-heavy touch. Ukhipha amazinyo. Akwazi ukutrapha. First touch. Uhlula i-first touch or when you make a mistake. When you're trying to recover. Take a Colgate, baba. Buy Colgate. Your teeth are more brown than my skin color. Your teeth are more brown than my skin color. Geza amazinyo awuthi yami. Geza amazinyo. Or hambo ya dentist. Bayokushaya kahle, bayokushaya amazinyo wakashayine. Orbit. Not college. Orbit. The toothpaste. Toothbrush. Come on. Hoto. Dion Colgate. Geza amazinyo. Midfield. Makaula. Yeah, you're playing too much football, my guy. 36 years old. You are not being managed by Uwadu. Uwadu angazi wayakudlala game after game. Masindi. Namatic. Nowhere to be seen. Anonymous. Miss call yonke. What? That midfield performance. Yini benyatsa bafethu. Benyatsa. Ay no. Tito Masangwani. That guy. Tito bafethu. I've lost patience no Tito this season. Ile threats, ngimtshelile. Cut off that dreadlock. Headband. Ufunani headband? Akusu Ronaldinho. Awukho that good to be Ronaldinho. Take off the headband. That's why maybe khanda lakho ali refresh kamnandi. Your brain is clustered ngaleyo headband leyo that you can't think properly. Ushawa first touch. Ushawa press. You can't keep the ball properly. You can't pass the ball properly. You are attracting yourself to the ball too much. Tito Masangwani. No. Worst player on the field. Kancane. If you persist on playing this guy through the league games, lava games are selling. Fans are gonna start turning on this guy. I'm telling you. Wait Tito. You are becoming a nonsense. Not in a good way, in a freaking bad way. A nonsense. No, Tito needs to stay eMastenzini. Oh, Pumbule. I rather have Umbule than Tito. Where is Umbule? Umbule yini kenzakalani ngayo 2026? Wenza ama-sporadic appearances nje. Ngathi uphuma ku-vacation lo muntu lo. Where was he? Where is Ngwanasesi? Uphi Ngwanasesi? Mfukeng. Hayi bafethu, we are relying on that guy too much. Should I say that boy too much? 21 years old. We are relying on that boy too much. We are relying on him to do something when he has the ball. We are relying on him to be the main guy. I know he's the main guy, but come on. 21 years old. Against team yakumvela. We are relying on Urele. Jesus Christ, blood. Nkosi yami. Dion. You are not a striker. You are not a center forward. You are a false nine. That's it. besimsanelana uDe Jong if he's not a striker. He is a false nine bafethu. Nimbonile umuntu kade adropa deep kanjani to get the feel of the ball. Second half lo muntu lo bengimbona e-center circle kuya-attack ufuna ukuyocollecta ibhola because that's what he is. He is not a striker, deadly striker, box to box striker. He's not. I'm sorry. He's not. He plays as a behind the striker type, not the main guy. Muremi. Yo. Chu. What was that? Muremi bafethu naye no. 2026. Ungizele nezinye. What was that? Umuntu uwiswa ibhola la. Umuntu ushawa i-first touch bese uwa ebholweni. Why are you doing that? You are embarrassing yourself out here. Uwiswa yini ebholweni? Ibhola likuwiselani wena? You should be attacking people uyawa. Boo pants. Oh boo fats. Shout out to Flaba, RIP to Flaba. Boo fats. Msendani. Guys, since afikile lo muntu lo wenzani? He's been coming on as a sub since the start of 2026. He's been coming on as a sub. What has he done? What a waste of a signing. Waste man. No. What was that? Msendani, why is he keep on persisting on Msendani? He's not doing nothing, that guy. That guy is not, he's a fraud, Msendani. Jesus Christ, blood. Jesus Christ. Let's go on to the coach, Wadu. Or should I say Absolum? I know. Absolum. Line up. Nyakala line up. Why is Tatu Makaula when you've got Abu Tansin? We are playing against Team Yagumvela. We should be beating them no matter the squad. I don't get it, Bafito. Orlando Pirates. Iyo, wemapaka kwenze njani. Yeah, nane, dark days are ahead. If we don't win this league, dark days are ahead. Nah, Bafito. Orlando Pirates out of the Nedbank Cup. The league, Orlando Pirates, the league. If you don't win that one, Ansaz, Wadu, you've won two trophies so far, domestic trophies. If you don't win the league, my guy, I cannot stand it. I cannot wait another season without the league, Buffett. The last time we won a Premiership, 2011. A lot has happened since then. A lot. Mandela Washona. COVID happened. We've got a new president. No, he's still the president, but you know what I mean. GNU. Nah. Fix up, Orlando Pirates. Fix up. League is the main priority now. Do not let it slip. I dare you. Do not. I'm out, Bafethu. Nyangcela Bafethu. Once again, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below all the shenanigans. I would really appreciate it. Damn it, I've been waffling. Shisipalon 15 minutes. Bafethu, nyancanya. Once a Pirates, always a Pirates. Through blue and dark days, I'll be in Orlando Pirates till I die. Mouth. Nyancanya.